When you're looking for the absolute best protection and convenience for your newborn, tracking down the right gear can feel overwhelming. That is why today we are counting down the best infant car seat options on the market. From classic safety-first carriers to time-saving 360-degree rotating seats, we will break down advanced crash test engineering, effortless installation, and the premium features that make life as a parent so much easier. All of the products we mentioned are linked in the description below, so you can check out current pricing and specs as we go. First up, we have the Graco Gomax infant car seat, which is an absolute lifesaver for parents who value fast, foolproof setup. The standout feature here is the built-in insta-install rigid latch system. It lets you safely secure the seat in any car in literally seconds, and because it has a one-step quick latch release, moving it between vehicles is entirely stress-free. It protects rear-facing infants from 4 to 30 pounds and up to 32 inches tall. What really sets the Gomax apart is its smart 4-position one-hand recline system. It features a unique memory recline on the latch connectors that actually remembers your last installation angle, while an easy-to-read bubble level indicator eliminates all the usual guesswork. Adjusting the seat as your baby grows is just as simple thanks to the no-rethread Simply Safe Adjust harness, allowing you to reposition the headrest and harness together in a single motion while your baby is sitting right there. On the safety and comfort side, it is Graco Protect Plus engineered, meaning it has passed rigorous crash testing for frontal, side, rear, and rollover impacts. Plus, it features their premium Pure Protect fabrics, which are incredibly soft and gentle on sensitive skin while meeting federal fire-resistant standards completely free of added chemicals. It's a fantastic, highly reliable option if you want maximum safety without the installation headaches.
Next up, we have the UPPAbaby Mesa V3 infant car seat, a premium option that completely nails the balance between high-end luxury, ultimate passenger comfort, and smart safety engineering. If installation anxiety is a thing for you, UPPAbaby's innovative Smart Secure system is a massive relief. It combines an auto-retracting latch design with a physical red-to-green tightness indicator and a 4-position adjustable foot. You essentially get visual confirmation that the seat is perfectly locked down and level in seconds. If you're traveling or using ride shares, it also supports European belt routing, allowing you to securely install the carrier with a 3-point seatbelt contact without even needing the base. When it comes to protection, the Mesa V3 features advanced side impact protection with energy-absorbing EPP foam that meets the latest safety regulations. A huge safety bonus here is the anti-rebound handle. You can click the carry handle into a distinct 4th position when it's in the car, which acts as a built-in roll bar to absorb forces during a rear impact collision. For daily usability, this seat is packed with thoughtful touches. It features a massive full-coverage UPF50+ canopy with mesh ventilation and a peekaboo window. There are even intuitive magnetic buckle holders on the sides to keep the straps out of your way while you're lowering your baby into the seat. Adjusting it as they grow is seamless thanks to a 25-position headset and a no-rethread 5-point harness. The included removable infant insert ensures a cozy, precise fit for tiny newborns from 4 to 11 pounds. Finally, the entire seat is GreenGuard Gold certified and completely free of fire-retardant chemicals across all its machine-washable fabrics. Plus, it directly clicks onto UPPAbaby Vista and Cruise strollers with a simple one-button release, making it a dream for anyone building a seamless travel system. Next on our list is the Graco SnugRide DLX infant car seat, which is a phenomenal choice if you want top-tier, heavy-duty safety features without a premium price tag. Like the other seats we've looked at, this one safely protects rear-facing infants from 4 to 30 pounds and up to 32 inches tall. The biggest selling point for the DLX model is the inclusion of an integrated anti-rebound bar on the base. This provides an extra layer of rear-facing safety by significantly reducing the seat's movement and rotation toward the back of your vehicle in the event of a collision. When it comes to getting it into your vehicle, Graco's SnugLock technology means you can achieve a secure installation in less than 1 minute, whether you choose to use the vehicle's seatbelt or the latch system. If you go the Latch route, it features their premium in-right latch connectors, which give you a satisfying 1-second click attachment. To ensure everything is perfectly level, the adjustable base offers 5 distinct recline positions paired with an easy-to-read bubble level indicator to completely eliminate installation guesswork. Daily use is incredibly smooth with this seat. It features a convenient one-hand adjustable handle, leaving your other hand completely free to carry diaper bags or comfort your baby. As their little one grows, you won't have to deal with the headache of taking the seat apart. The front adjust no rethread simply safe adjust harness lets you shift the headset and the 5-point harness together in one quick motion while your child is sitting comfortably inside. With extra infant head and body supports included for tiny newborns and thorough FMVSS 213A side impact testing built right in, the SnugRide DLX is a highly protective, everyday workhorse.
Next, we have the UPPAbaby Aria V2 infant car seat, which is the ultimate choice for parents who want premium safety without the heavy lifting. Weighing in at an astonishingly light 6 pounds, it is the lightest infant car seat on the market, meaning you can easily carry your baby around town without straining your back. Despite its feather-light shell, UPPAbaby didn't compromise on safety. The Aria V2 features an advanced design utilizing energy-absorbing EPP foam that meets rigorous side impact standards. Even better, the base comes equipped with both an anti-rebound plus panel and an adjustable load leg. This leg extends down to your vehicle's floorboard to drastically reduce seat rotation and absorb crash forces during a collision. Getting it installed is a total breeze. It features the Smart Secure system with auto-retracting latch and red to green visual indicators, letting you know with total certainty that the base is locked down correctly. If you are frequenting ride shares, taxis, or airplanes, this seat is an absolute dream. It features a narrow, space-saving 17-inch footprint, accommodates European belt routing for a secure install without the base, and is fully FAA certified for aircraft use. For your baby's comfort, the Aria V2 offers a 25-position headrest paired with a no-rethread 5-point harness that adjusts seamlessly as they grow. It also includes a 2-piece robust infant insert tailored to properly position preemies and small newborns starting at 4 pounds. Rounding out the premium features is an extra-large UPF 50+ canopy with a pop-out sunshade and a mesh ventilation panel to keep the air flowing. Finally, we have a massive game changer for urban parents, frequent travelers, and rideshare users, the Joie Baby Mint Latch Baseless Infant Car Seat. Weighing 9.3 pounds, this seat completely eliminates the need for a separate heavy stay-in-car base. The magic of the Mint is its brilliant base-free design. It features integrated rigid lower anchor attachments built directly into the bottom of the carrier itself. You just flip them out and click them straight into your vehicle's latch points for a super secure, rock-solid install in literally seconds. If you're hopping into a vehicle without latch, you can easily route the standard vehicle seatbelt through the built-in belt path. Jet-setting parents will also love that it is fully FAA certified for aircraft use using the plane seatbelt. It accommodates rear-facing infants from 4 to 30 pounds and up to 30 inches tall, adjusting across 3 customizable installation angles to perfectly fit your car's seat slope. On the safety and comfort side, it meets strict FMVSS 213A and 213B crash test standards. Your baby stays perfectly cozy thanks to plush cushioning and breathable knit fabrics, along with a removable infant insert designed to keep smaller newborns from slumping.